Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up KPI reporting with Databox detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up KPI reporting with Databox, begin by signing in to your Databox account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the website. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Databox dashboard. Next, click on the Data Sources option in the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of available integrations. Choose the data source you want to connect to for your KPIs. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize and set up the connection. After connecting your data source, navigate to the Databoard section. Click on Create New Databoard to start building your report. You will see templates and options for customizing your databoard. Select a template that best fits your reporting needs. Once you've chosen a template, you can edit the title and layout. Next, you will add the KPIs you want to track. Click the Add Metric button to pull in specific data points. Choose the relevant metrics from your connected data source. Adjust the metric settings such as time frames and comparisons if necessary. After adding metrics, arrange them for optimal viewing. You can drag and drop each metric to your desired location on the board. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, save your databoard. To share the report, click on the Share button. You can generate a shareable link or invite team members via email. For ongoing tracking, set up email reports by navigating to the Alerts section. Choose how often you want the reports to be sent and to whom. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Once complete, click Save to finalize your KPI reporting setup. Congratulations, your KPI reporting with Databox is now set up and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.